I've been waiting 6 months to make this video. 6 months! That's because, well, actually, I've been using this app for 6 months. So I've been meditating since the beginning of the year, and this app has really helped me. It's called Simple Habit. It has this kind of like Zen-looking, I don't know, Chinese character-looking sort of thing. I think the app is made in Australia because, well, the first lady who introduces the app, she has an Australian accent. But I'm going to show you what's going on here. So when you pop it open, it automatically comes to meditate. See, there's your toolbar down here. You got meditate. You got on the go, which gives you a little wheel of options here, which is pretty cool. So if you're like, you want to go to sleep, you just hit that. You're waking up in the morning, you want a morning meditation, great. Taking a coffee break, on your commute, walking, they're all categorized, cross-categorized. And then you can also dial in, well, I want a 5-minute meditation or a 10-minute meditation, or maybe a 20-minute meditation. Here's me. This is just a, I don't know, my current day. I did miss a day. I didn't really miss the day, but it was already after midnight when I had meditated or something like that. Anyway, I've been meditating almost every day. Here's the total number of sessions I've done, almost 300, and the number of minutes in case you care about that. And these are the last couple ones that I've done. So if you liked one, you can go right back. It's right there. And then here's a little pie chart that, I'm sorry, a bar graph that shows you, you know, how many minutes a day that the app keeps track of how many minutes a day you meditate. And it has a calendar. Here you can see, oh, on June 9th, I missed a day. I forget what I was doing on June 9th. And then there's these little awards and things too. And then there's your community. You can sign in on Facebook and do that sort of thing, which I don't do, so I can't tell you about that. But what I can tell you about is a little bit about these programs. So the meditations come up. Lately what it's been doing is it's been giving you a meditation of the day. And these are, so there's two kinds of meditations. There are the free ones that anyone can access, and then there are the premium ones that you can only do if you pay. Now, I haven't paid in 6 months, and I have repeated a lot of different meditations, but I like them, and I'm getting used to them, and I think that helps me to build my relationship with the person who's speaking, because one of the things in one of the previous apps that I reviewed, it seemed like it was the same speaker all the time, and if you don't like his or her voice, that can be distracting, because instead of listening to what they're saying, you're listening to how they say it, or the fact that, you know, something about their voice distracts you. So this meditation of the day is often a premium meditation that they're giving you a little access to. So if you click on that, what happens is you get a little loading circle, and then it'll tell you how much time is left in the session, what the name of the session is, and what the name of the series is, if there are multiples. So here you can see that this is session number 2, and these are locked for me because I'm not paying premium. I'm just getting the free session. So right now in the background this will be talking here. We can turn up the volume a little bit.
He's easygoing and relaxed, and enjoys spending most of his day walking around the jungle, smelling the trees and appreciating.
And it sounds like he's telling a story. So that's nice, but I don't really go in for the stories. I just go straight for the meditations. So here's what we got here. Let's just do like some of the ones that I've done recently. So I like Worry-Free Day. So Worry-Free Day has 3 different sessions in it. In the afternoon, you get one for boosting your energy and clarity. So you have that Australian lady introduce, and then a little bit of music.
Hello, and welcome to your afternoon meditation.
And then there's your person who's guiding you through the meditation. So it's really nice. I don't want to give you the whole meditation. I don't want any copyright violations here. I like these people. I don't want any problem with them. But so here's a list of the meditations that I've done recently. Now, if you're looking for something specific, like say you want to go to sleep, it'll tell you about different sleep meditations. Here are some featured ones. And here's where you can tell if there is a crown in the left-hand corner of the icon, then that means that that's a premium session. So these are free sessions. and these are premium. And here they tell you how many minutes they are, and if there's varying minutes, they tell you that here. So it's kind of nice. So it's really nice to do to fall asleep. Say you want to type in, you want a specific kind of meditation. You can either type in a word like anxiety or something like that. Let's type in anxiety. And then here you see there are certain calm anxiety, sleep anxiety, immediate anxiety relief. Everything with the keyword anxiety or anything related to it like panic or fear comes up. So, and then you can categorize them by, well, I want to do a 5-minute meditation, or I want to do more than 10 minutes, and then those will come up. So yeah, it's very nice how it categorizes. And then if you want to just type in like, you know, say you're not anxious, you just want to like relax. So you can type in relax. And there you got an unguided wind chimes, and here you got one for reducing stress, nature sounds, calming your nerves, staying calm, being here in the now. So that's one way to search. The other way to search is to hit the search bar, and then here you have a list of categories. So there's sleep meditation, sleep sounds, basics, relax, focus, well-being, resilience, health, relationships, and therapy. Well, that's pretty deep. So that's kind of a little guide on how the Simple Habit meditation app works. I have to tell you, I really enjoy this app. Obviously, I've been doing it for 6 months. I haven't paid a dime, and I've had more than enough variety. Sure, every once in a while I'll come across somebody's voice who doesn't really, jive with me, or I'm not particularly in the mood for that day. But there are many choices, many ways to choose it. The app is easy to use, and you can even have it set a reminder for you to meditate at a certain time of day, or something of that nature. So it's a really easy to use app, and it's really fun. I like it. I've noticed the benefits of doing this, but that's a subject for an entirely different video. This is just talking about this specific app, and I hope you enjoy it. I hope you try it. In my humble opinion, definitely worth the download and the space on your iPhone or smartphone. So with that, I will leave you, and I hope you appreciate this short review, and if you do, please give it a like and please subscribe. It really helps my channel, and it gives me incentive and motivation to keep making videos for you, so that you can benefit from the things that I've done, and I use YouTube for benefiting from the people that other people have done all the time. So let's keep this community alive. Thank you for subscribing. If you have any comments, please put them in the comment bar below. Thanks. Have a great day.